Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going to modify this one, okay, because the machine is not running, but we have still indication here. So for now we have problem in this converter, but as of now we don't have spare for this one, so we will try to convert this one to modify it. Okay guys. Today we are going to show you this frequency converter. Okay, so for this frequency converter we need the probe, and then this converter frequency to milliamps. Now this one in series with our meter, and we have here our indication 4 to 20 loop indicator. Okay, so now we have this frequency converter connected to our probe. Okay, now you can see guys, when we start putting some metal in the inductive switch, there is coming here, see? So that one corresponds to milliamps, and then to our indicator. Okay guys, so this is how this frequency converter works. Once you have pulse here, now there is pulse, it will give you signal pulse here, and then output 4 to 20 milliamps, and then in our indicator, as you could see there, is our indicator receiving 4 to 20 milliamps signal. Okay guys, so this is the setup for this frequency current converter. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Please